wait, Jooxie nice, I said them band the tune.
For real, Mr. Bubbling man, all me do a talk for the girl them man. Well, stable general vice make we deal with the case man. Neatly, up front.
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? And them not do it like we. Hey.
Cause she have the goodies and I me have the thing. She want the strong and body and me want the pudding. Well, I me have the reddies and she have the skins. And every girl deserve the utmost decent loving. Me give her 100% of the good loving. 100% and no quick time thing. 100% of the young call loving. 100% and bust the best spring. Sing out.
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? And them not do it like we. Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? And them not love it like we. Hey.
Now them a talk about me slack.
Who are them fi tell you that?
Me dos. Talk for the girls, me no take back no chat. Them a talk about me slack.
Who are them fi tell you that?
Me dos. Turn round the man, me no turn a man back. Human nature is a natural fact. Who no do like me talk, you opinion that. Me love the girls and them love me back. You bring me like how me talk, tell them dress back.
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why?
Human nature is a chain reaction, but some man them a go like them no know the program. All they talk man attack them can't do without a man. All they talk woman attack them can't do without man. Every man supposed to give them girls satisfaction. Wall up walk and next amount of joke jam me do the tune, do the walk and the tune get banned. Feel them in general vices like them don't understand.
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Them not do it like we. Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Them not love it like we. Hey.
Cause them a try hold me back, no stop me gone clear. Worries in a dance anytime me appear. Them a try hold me down, no stop me jack here. Worries in a dance anytime me appear. When me appear, the girls them turn up and stew when me appear. The party boy them disappear. Girls to the front, man to the rear. When me hold the microphone, the girl turn up and cheer.
Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Them not do it like we. Hey.
Cause she have the goodies and I me have the thing. She want the strong long body and me want the pudding. Well, I me have the reddies and she have the skins. And every girl deserve the utmost decent loving. Me give her 100% of the good loving. 100% and a quick time thing. 100% of the young call loving. 100% and bust the bed spring. Them a talk about me slack.
Who are them fi tell you that?
Me dos. Talk for the girls and me no take back no chat. Them a talk about me slack.
Who are them fi tell you that?
Me dos. Turn round the girls, me no turn a man back. Human nature is a natural fact. Who no do like me talk, you opinion that. Can me love the girls and them love me back. You bring me like how me talk, tell them dress back. Human nature is a chain reaction, but some man them a go like them no know the program. All they talk man attack them can't do.